Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating Chrome OS now, because many slowdowns stem from outdated system files. Go to Settings, About Chrome OS, and install updates. Once done, close unused tabs and quit heavy extensions. Open the Chrome Task Manager to identify offenders and end those tasks. Make sure to free storage space. Remove big downloads, clear cache, and empty the trash so the system can use space for swap and updates. Next, you optimize settings that directly affect responsiveness. First, audit extensions and remove or disable anything unnecessary. Also turn off background apps in settings to stop hidden CPU and memory drain. Then, adjust power settings under device to prioritize performance when plugged in, which reduces throttling. Finally, try toggling hardware acceleration. Enable it if your GPU handles it, or disable it if pages stutter. Test pages and videos to confirm which setting is faster for your model. To finish, perform an advanced cleanup and know when to reset. You should power wash as a last resort. Backup drive and local files first, because power wash erases your profile. If slowdowns persist, test in guest mode to determine whether your user profile or extensions are the cause, and disconnect peripherals to rule out external faults. If hardware is suspected, run Crash Diagnostics or Dell Diagnostics tools. This helps pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.